Okay, so this is the third vid and new or ang last topic na ni differential equations application. So we will have first unsteady flow through an orifice. So sa kanya di na ako i-rewrite balik kay ano ko notebook. So to save time, and I'll just go through sa akong notes and hope masabtan. Oh, nag-adjust ang lights. So nganhi you can take screenshot of this one. So, ingani ang general nga situation sa kaninga topic. You have here your tank or container, and then you have here the H1 and H2. So, H1 being the fullest nga volume sa tank. So, kung maingon gani nga full ang volume sa tank, so automatic your H1 is the total height rapod. And then sometimes, depende sa problem, maingon tahay siya nga kano sa empty. So, dili imong H, so 0 kung empty. So, ang H2 nimo is 0 kung empty ang gipangayo sa problem. Pero, og na-specific ang kintahay, maingon nga 1 meter below, 1 meter before ang bottom sa tank. So, automatic kung unsay height diha, minusan ra po nimo 1. Tahay ang height diha is 3, then 1 meter below. So, therefore, dili ka mag-minus tayo. Kung 1 meter below, therefore, your H2 is 1 meter. Okay, pero conversely speaking, katong mag-minus kung i-trick ba, na what if 2 meters from the top, so di mo mag-minus, so 1 lagad na dire. Okay, so dapat ang yung reading comprehension sa kaninga problem is maadyo gajud. Okay, so for this problem, unsteady flow through an orifice. By the way, when you say orifice, it means an opening. So nganhi sa kaninga container na kuno kay bangag, which is kani. Okay, so naibangag ang imuhang orifice. Naibangag imong container and it's called orifice. And then, this is your governing equation. Okay, so where Q is the discharge, and then this one, vol na ha, d vol over dt, is the rate of change of volume. C is the coefficient of discharge. Usually, if dili i-mention, your C is equal to 0.60. Pero kung i-mention, gamit to. Pero dili i-mention, use 0.60 sa C. AO is the area of the orifice. Square root of 2GH, where G is the acceleration due to gravity. And it is usually sa is 9.81 meters per second. So, pwede nyo i-search pila ang G kung in terms of centimeter, in terms of inch. So, daghan naman ang value ng acceleration due to gravity. Makita nyo sa internet. Ang H is the height or the head, vertical distance from the orifice to the surface level sa imong water. Okay, and you have formula for this one. Formula for this one is this one. So mo na lagi to. Okay, so mao ni siya ang governing equation for this first subtopic na unsteady flow through an orifice. So if this is your formula for the discharge, when you say discharge, the rate of change of volume. So, ang amount ni ang sa water na magawas mo na discharge. Napod tayo formula para sa when it comes to time. So, the differential volume with respect to dt is kani. Napod tayo dt is equal to d vol over CAO square root of 2GH. So, kusahay sa problem, ingon man nga, how long will it take? If the problem asks for time, kani nga formula ang gamiton. T is equal to integral of ADH over CAO square root of 2GH from H1 to H2. So, take note na ni negative sign di ha. Tas kani in terms of seconds. Okay? So, pasensya kung nagtulog na yung karaan. Mulakra na naslo yung suwat. Okay, anyway. So, kung ito nang i-simplify, kani ang second na governing equation. T is equal to negative 1 over CAO, or face area square root of 2G, integral of integral of ADH over square root of H from H1 to H2. Okay, so you have two formulas, kani o kani. So what you're going to do is to sabot ang problem kung asa ana ang paraan ang mga variable. So when you say DHDI, that means differential height or the change in height. Okay, so let's have our first example. We have this problem. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this problem. So, di na i-write to save time pod. So, a cylindrical tank, akong basahon just in case na hindi mabasa. A cylindrical tank, 1.5 in diameter and 3 meter high, stands vertically with its axis. So, gabarog ko no, ang imong cylindrical tank. The tank is full of water and has a 10 cm diameter orifice. So, naakay, given nga diameter sa orifice nimo, whereas your C or coefficient of discharge is 0.60, located at the bottom. Determine the time required to empty the tank through the orifice. So, again, mauna akong gingon kanina, time required. So, kaning formula ato to empty man. So, meaning sa to empty, ma-zero ang H2. So, inga na, imo dyan nang i-analyze. Kaya ikaw may mag-set sa mo value sa H. So, let's have the solution. Okay, so as for the solution, ako na lang siya i-write. Kaya murag, di nakadyo klaro ang akong solution dire. Pero anyway, so, kani. So, muna ang given sa ato ang problem. Na ako tayo cylindrical tank na nagbarog nga 1.5 meter diameter ug 3 meter height with an orifice or opening na ibuslot sa bottom na 10 cm diameter. So, by the way, this sign means diameter ha. Dili nagingon nga omega or maybe pero as you go along or like puhon makatrabaho na mo sa mga plants, so mo na kasagarang representation of a diameter. So, para ani 1 meter diameter. Okay. So, determine the time required para ma-empty ang tank. So, you have here this formula kanya itong gamiton. So, di ba, memorize mo yung duha kung Q ug T. So, manhi, di man siya rin yung lisod memorize son, pero kung imong butangan og story behind, masadyon. So, for example, ang imo kunong baka, imong cow natog, di ba? Natog saad sa baboy baron. So, nikatawa ka. Ato, na ikaw nga natog saad sa baboy. Ha ha ha. Amazing. So, anyway. Okay, so we have just simplified the equation. Yung atong baka natog saad sa baboy. Ha ha ha. So, your area is given man ang D, di ba? Kani nga area nga dako guys nga walay sub, area na sa tank. Kaning A o area sa orifice. So, ato rin yung igawas kay naturally ma-constant man jud ni sunana dire. So, ang mahibilin sod sa integral sign is kanina lang. So, remember, this is square root of h or h raised to 1/2. And then, para masaka, butangan na itong negative sign. Diba yung naog na silang. Huwag isakan ni mo, butangan ni mag-negative sign. So, simpler ni ang atong equation sa ingani na lang. So, karon we're just going to substitute the area for the cylinder, the orifice, then coefficient of discharge, and then your acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so, ato nang substitute ang area sa cylinder, and then coefficient of discharge, area sa orifice, and then 2. And then kani, this would be ang answer ani, this is 2 h raised to 1/2 from 3 to 0. Okay, so, meaning, kung wala mo i-calcu, makasolve ani, you first substitute the 3 nga sa h, and then minus sa kung h is equal to 0. So, if you're going to compute that, and I hope sakto ra pud ning, so that is 293 seconds. Or, 4 minutes and 53 seconds. So, that is now your final answer. Okay, so let's proceed sa last na subtopic, which is about mixture or solution.